Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we unpair Bluetooth earphone to our Realme phone. Guys, you want to unpair guys your Bluetooth earphone, so then how can you unpair it? In this video friends I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So we will on guys our phone setting to unpair guys our Bluetooth earphone, then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see guys your Bluetooth setting. Friends, tap here. So friends, you can see that we have paid get this Ubon CL20 earphone, and guys we want to unpair. So guys, how to unpair? So friends, you can see right side this icon, guys tap here, a disconnect device name unpair option. So friends, you want to disconnect, you want to unpair. So we want to unpair, so we will unpair from here, and guys we cannot use this earphone. Guys, you want to use, so you will have to pair again. Guys, you can see this notification. So you want to use, so you will have to pair from here. So like that guys, you can unpair your Bluetooth earphone to your Realme phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. We will meet on next video. Before going, please go and like the video. Bye friends.